Can you see yourself in the 2021 Ford F-250? With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take on tough jobs with confidence in this fully capable F-250. Rigorously tested to withstand extreme conditions, this heavy-duty pickup is ready to plow, tow, and haul while providing you with a comfortable cab and the technology to make your life easier and safer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, keyless entry, 8-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, remote engine start, 4-wheel drive, satellite radio, backup camera, Wi-Fi hotspot. Don't miss the chance to drive this hard-working F-250 off the lot. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.